Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video I'm going to test the green tint issue test in the iQOO 7 device after the recent software update. Yes friends, yesterday only I did receive the update in the iQOO 7 device, which is a September security patch update. So the update version is of 1.73.1, as you can clearly see. So this is the latest update which I did receive in the iQOO 7 device, and we do know iQOO 7 has got some issues regarding the green tint problem, but my unit has got green tint. Not all the units, only few units will be having the green tint issue problem. But let's see, in this video I'm going to definitely show you what is happening with the green tint problem in my iQOO 7 device. Is the problem got fixed or not? This is an old phone which I'm trying to use right now, and let me try to show you exactly what is the display settings which I'm trying to use, because usually the green tint will be visible if you try to use a dark mode, and if you try to decrease the brightness, and if you try to open the Google Chrome incognito mode. I need to turn off the lights as well. So during this time I did select the 120 Hz refresh rate, and I did disable the anti-flickering option as well, as you can clearly see. Now let me try to disable the lights. Let me turn off the lights completely. So at this moment you can clearly see there is no lights in the room at this point, and now let me try to open the Google Chrome application, and now let me try to test the brightness, what is happening with the brightness. And I'm trying to decrease to low brightness level. I'm trying to increase a little bit, and somewhere around here we'll be able to see some kind of green tint problem happening. I don't think the problem got fixed anyway in this iQOO 7 device at this moment. So in the settings option also it will be visible, friends. In the settings, if you try to observe the settings option, let me try to show you. As you can see in the settings option, it's kind of visible. Clearly you will be able to see that kind of green tint problem. If I try to increase the brightness, as you can see, still the green tint issue is there, and even in the notification panel you will be able to see in the lock screen clearly. So this is the only place where you will be able to notice a lot of green tint problem. If you try to disable the fingerprint scanner, definitely the green tint won't be there if you try to disable this fingerprint scanner. But usually the green tint problem did not get solved. So I'm not sure, friends, at this point whether the software can actually fix this kind of issues, because from the start of buying this phone till now I did receive I think close to maybe 5 to 6 updates, and none of the update got fixed this kind of green tint problem. So at this moment I cannot guarantee that this kind of problem will be fixed with the software updates as well. So only few phones will be having this kind of problem. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a small thing which I'm just mentioning, and I don't think this will be the really very big issue. So this is only visible only under certain conditions only. So this is not visible every time whenever you watch the phone, only in certain conditions only. This kind of green tint will be visible in the iQOO 7 device. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, whether you do have this kind of problem or not. But if you ask me, can this be the main reason why not to buy? I don't think this will be the big reason to not to buy this phone. So as I said, not all the phones will be having, only few phones will be having this kind of green tint problem. So if you have the problem, definitely you can apply for the replacement as well. That's another thing, you do have the option. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.